Making purees for 8-month-old babies with vegetables is a great way to introduce them to a variety of nutritious foods. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose fresh vegetables. Opt for fresh, organic vegetables whenever possible. Good choices include sweet potatoes, carrots, peas, broccoli, zucchini, and butternut squash. Wash and peel. Thoroughly wash and peel the vegetables to remove any dirt or pesticides. Peeling is essential for certain vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes. Cut into small pieces. Cut the vegetables into small, uniform pieces. This ensures even cooking and makes it easier to blend into a smooth puree later. Steam or boil. Steam or boil the vegetables until they are soft and easily mashable with a fork. Steaming helps retain more nutrients than boiling. Save cooking water. If you boiled the vegetables, save some of the cooking water. This nutrient-rich water can be used later to adjust the consistency of the puree. Blend or mash. Use a blender, food processor, or hand masher to puree the cooked vegetables. Start with a small amount of water and add more if needed for a smoother consistency. Introduce single ingredients. At this stage, it's advisable to introduce single ingredient purees to monitor your baby's reaction to each vegetable. This also helps identify any potential allergies. Gradually combine flavors. Once your baby is accustomed to individual vegetables, you can start combining them to introduce new flavors and textures. Common combinations include peas and carrots or sweet potatoes and broccoli. Avoid seasonings and salt. Refrain from adding any seasonings, salt, or sugar to your baby's purees. Baby's taste buds are still developing, and it's best to keep the flavors simple and natural. Serve at room temperature. Allow the puree to cool to room temperature before serving. Always check the temperature before feeding to prevent burns. Storage. Store leftover purees in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. You can also freeze them in small portions for longer storage. Monitor for allergies. Keep a close eye on your baby for any signs of allergies or adverse reactions. Introduce new vegetables one at a time, waiting a few days before introducing another to help identify any potential allergens. Remember to consult with your pediatrician before introducing new foods to ensure they are appropriate for your baby's development and health.